10, chapter 3, exercise number 3.3. See the first question. Find the LCM and GCD for the following and verify that f of x, g of x equal to LCM into GCD. So the two expression is given. First we take it as first one as f of x. F of x is equal to 21x square y. And then let me take it as g of x is as 35x y square. First we want to factorize this two term. If I factorize this, 21 is factorized with 3 7s are 7 1s are, right? This can be factorized as 3 into 7 into x square into y, right? Next, 35 can be factorized like this. 35, the last digit is 5, so 5 7s are 7 1s are, right? So this can be factorized as 5 into 7 into x into y square. Now we want to find out the GCD for these two numbers and the LCM for these two numbers, right? First we find GCD, greatest common divisor. We want to find the greatest common divisor between these two expressions. First we have to choose what is the common. So 7 is the common and x is common and y also common, right? So 7xy. Now we have to find the least power, which is the smaller power. So x we have, it is x and x square. So you have to select the least power for GCD, common term and least power, right? Next, LCM, least common multiple. For LCM we want to write all the term with highest power, right? So I write first all the term 3 into 7 into here x into y and then 5. Here 7 is already here and x, y is already here. So all terms are covered and see there in that all terms which is the highest power. X we have here x, here we have x square. So we have to write x square. For here y we have y, here we have y square. So choose the highest power. So GCD, greatest common divisor, means only the common terms with least power. Common term with least power. Common with least power. Least means small number, is least power. But LCM means all terms with highest power. Highest power. Right? So when we are taking all terms means the term should not be repeated, right? Now we want to verify this f of x into g of x is equal to LCM into GCD. First I multiply this two, f of x into g of x. F of x is given as 21x square y into g of x is 35x y square, right? If here you want to multiple this term, just multiple, no problem for that. 7 3s are 21. 21 into 5 is 105 x square y square. This is LCM, right? LCM and GCD. Now f of x into g of x. Now we have to multiple this term. 21 into 35. 21 into 35. First I multiple the terms. 21 into 35. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 105, right? 3 into 21 is 63. So 5, 3, 7. The number is 735. X square into x is x power 3. When the base are equal, you have to add the powers, right? 2 plus 1 is 3. And then y, here we have 1, here we have 2. That is 735 x cube y cube. I take this as equation number 1. Next, we want to prove that LCM into GCD, right? LCM into GCD. Now we have to multiple the LCM and GCD. LCM into GCD is equal to, what is we have find out LCM? 7xy into GCD is 105 x square y square. Now multiple this term. 7 5s are 35, 5 7 1s are 7, 735. X into x square is x cube. When the base are equal, here we have power 1, here we have power 2, right? It is in the multiplication, means x power 2 plus 1, that is x power 3. That is the form. Now x y into y square, that is y cube. Now you take this equation number 2. See the first and the second equation, both are equal, right? So therefore f of x into g of x is equal to LCM into GCD, hence verified. F of x into g of x is equal to LCM into GCD, hence it is verified. Next we see the second Roman number. See the second Roman number is given. The first one we take it as f of x. F of x is equal to x cube minus 1 into x plus 1, and then g of x, the second term is x cube plus 1, right? See this is a cube minus b cube formula. We know that a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. That is the form, right? So in the place of a we have x, in the place of b we have 1. So f of x can be explained like this. F of x is equal to x minus 1 into x square plus x into 1 is x plus 1 square is nothing but 1, and then this term x plus 1. So x square, x cube minus 1 cube, it is in the form. So in the place of a is equal to x, b is equal to 1. Now apply it in this formula, you get this value, right? That is f of x expansion. And then g of x is equal to here x cube plus 1. Now we know the formula for x cube plus 1 is, let me take it as a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. That is the form. So now check this, x cube plus 1, right? So in the place of a we have x square, in the place of b we have 1. So x plus 1 into x square minus x into 1 is x plus 1 square, right? B square means 1 square is 1. So compare this with the formula. Now we get what is f of x expansion and g of x expansion. Now we want to find out what is the GCD and the LCM. GCD means common between these two equations, right? Two expressions, common between these two expressions. What is the common here? X minus 1 is here, here I have x plus 1, right? So that is not a common, and the x square, x1 is not a common. Only x plus 1 is the common term between the two sets. Now we have to find out LCM. Greatest common divisor means only common term, you have to take this. LCM means all the term, right? So I start from here x minus 1 and then x square plus x plus 1 and then x plus 1. Hi students, class 10 chapter 3 exercise number 3.3 question number 1. Find the LCM and the GCD for the following and verify that f of x into g of x is equal to LCM into GCD. Let's see the sum. Roman number 3. See, Roman number 3 is given as x square y plus xy square, and then another term x square plus xy. So first term we take it as f of x. Here f of x is equal to x square y plus xy square, and then g of x is equal to x square plus xy. Now here we want to factorize. See, the common between these two terms is xy is common, right? If I take x and y commonly outside from these two, what will get? One x is commonly taken out, and then remaining we have only x. Y is taken out commonly. Here also x is taken out commonly, so there is no x. So here we have y square, so one y is taken out commonly plus y is the remaining term. And then g of x, here we have x square, here we have xy. So x is the common term between these two terms, right? So x will be taken out commonly means we get x square. X is taken out means we have only x. And here also we take the commonly x outside means plus y. Now we want to find out the GCD for these two terms. GCD means we have to select the common terms between these two expressions, right? See, here we have x, here also we have x. So x is the common. Here we have x plus y, so x plus y is the common term. So this is GCD. Here we have power, right? Power only one itself, so let it. And then LCM of these two, f of x and g of x. LCM means all terms you have to take with highest power. So first I take x and then y and then x plus y. and come to the next g of x. Here x is already have written and x plus y also you have written. So எழுதுறது திருப்பி எழுத வேண்டாம் சரிங்களா. ஜிசிடின்னு கேட்டாங்கன்னா ரெண்டுத்துலேயும் காமனாக இருக்கிறது கம்மி பவர் எடுக்கணும். எல்சிஎம்னு சொல்லிட்டாங்க அப்படின்னா எல்லா டேர்ம்ஸும் எடுங்க, பட் ரிப்பீட்டடாக எழுதக்கூடாது. அதே நேரத்தில் ஹையஸ்ட் பவர் எடுக்கணும். இங்கே பவர் எல்லாமே ஒன்றா இருக்குது, அதனால் பிரச்சனை இல்லை சரிங்களா. இப்போது அவங்க வெரிஃபை பண்ண சொன்னது எஃப் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் இன்ட்டு ஜி ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு எல்சிஎம் இன்ட்டு ஜிசிடி. இப்போ எஃப் ஆஃப் எக்ஸையும் ஜி ஆஃப் எக்ஸையும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுங்கள் ஃபஸ்ட்டு. இன்ட்டு ஜி ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு இதை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் என்ன வரும்னு பாருங்கள். xy இன்ட்டு எக்ஸ் ப்ளஸ் ஒய் இன்ட்டு இங்கே ஒரு எக்ஸ் இருக்குது எக்ஸ் இன்ட்டு எக்ஸ் ப்ளஸ் ஒய் சரிங்களா. அப்போது எக்ஸ் இன்ட்டு எக்ஸ் எக்ஸ் ஸ்கொயர், இங்கே ஒரே ஒரு ஒய் தான் இருக்குது, ஒய் எக்ஸ் ப்ளஸ் ஒய், இங்கே ஒரு எக்ஸ் ப்ளஸ் ஒய்னா ஹோல் ஸ்கொயர் எழுதிக்கலாமா. ஏ இன்ட்டு ஏனா ஏ ஸ்கொயர் எழுதுறோம் வந்துட்டீங்களா, அதே மாதிரி ஃபார்ம் தான் சரிங்களா. எக்ஸ் இன்ட்டு எக்ஸ் எக்ஸ் ஸ்கொயர், ஒய் இன்ட்டு எக்ஸ் ப்ளஸ் ஒய் ஹோல் ஸ்கொயர். இது ஈக்குவேஷன் நம்பர் 1 எடுத்துக்கலாம். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு எல்சிஎம் இன்ட்டு ஜிசிடி. எல்சிஎம் என்ன கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம் நம்ம, எக்ஸ் இன்ட்டு எக்ஸ் ப்ளஸ் ஒய் சரிங்களா. எக்ஸ் இன்ட்டு எக்ஸ் ப்ளஸ் ஒய் ஜிசிடி இன்ட்டு எல்சிஎம் என்ன கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம் பாருங்கள், எக்ஸ் ஒய் இன்ட்டு எக்ஸ் ப்ளஸ் ஒய் சரிங்களா. இப்போ இந்த டேர்ம் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுங்கள். எக்ஸ் இன்ட்டு எக்ஸ் எக்ஸ் ஸ்கொயர், இங்கே ஒரே ஒரு ஒய் இருக்குது அதையும் எழுதிங்க. இங்கே எக்ஸ் ப்ளஸ் ஒய், இங்கேயும் எக்ஸ் ப்ளஸ் ஒய் இருக்குது. ஸோ எக்ஸ் ப்ளஸ் ஒய் இன்ட்டு எக்ஸ் ப்ளஸ் ஒய் மீன்ஸ் தட் இஸ் எக்ஸ் ப்ளஸ் ஒய் ஹோல் ஸ்கொயர். ஏ இன்ட்டு ஏன்னு எப்படி எழுதுவோம், ஏ ஸ்கொயர் எழுதுவோமா, அதே ஃபார்மேட்டில் தான் இங்கே எழுதிருக்கோம் சரிங்களா. இப்போ இந்த செகண்ட் ஈக்குவேஷன் எடுத்துங்க. இப்போ கம்பேர் பண்ணுங்கள் ஃபஸ்ட் அண்ட் செகண்ட் ஈக்குவேஷன் ரெண்டும் ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கா இல்லையான்னு பாருங்கள். ரெண்டுமே ஈக்குவலாக தான் இருக்குது. ஸோ எஃப் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் இன்ட்டு ஜி ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு எல்சிஎம் இன்ட்டு ஜிசிடி ஹென்ஸ் வெரிஃபைன்னு சொல்லிடலாம் சரிங்களா. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு 4th Roman நம்பர் பார்க்கலாம். தேங்க்யூ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். நெக்ஸ்ட் அகெயின் எக்ஸ் ப்ளஸ் ஒன் இஸ் ஹியர், I already have written. Next term is x square minus x plus 1. So GCD means only the common terms. LCM means all the terms should not be repeated and we have to select the highest power. See here all the powers are 1, so this is LCM. Now we have to verify f of x into g of x is equal to LCM into GCD. Now first I multiply that f of x into g of x, right? Now you multiple this term f of x into g of x. F of x is, this is the f of x, that is x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 into x plus 1 into g of x. G of x is x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1. Now we have to multiple these terms, right? Now we have to multiple this term means x plus 1 is x plus 1 whole square into x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1. So I take this as equation number 1. Next LCM into GCD. What is LCM GCD here? GCD is x plus 1 and what is the LCM here? X minus 1 and then x square, see x square plus x plus 1 and then here x plus 1, this is LCM, right? X plus 1 and then x square minus x plus 1. Now here also we see that here x plus 1, here also x plus 1. So I take that x plus 1 whole square into x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1. I take this as equation number 2. Now compare the first and second equation. Both are equal or not equal? Both are equal, right? Here both the terms are equal. So f of x into g of x is equal to LCM into GCD. Hence verified. Thank you students.